Gaze upon this fine country of ours while you can, gentlemen. It's gonna be your last decent view for a long while. Nicholas Mendoza. Shit. Guy like you's really gotta fuck up to land here with me.
You, might want to secure that weapon, Deputy, before one of these gentlemen takes it off you.
I always enjoy seeing dirty cops end up on my bus. It reminds me, the system works. Enjoy the ride, detective.
All right, this is the one. Shouldn't take very long. What do you say we bag these guys and go grab some lunch?
Yeah, okay. I know a decent Cuban place around the corner.
Cuban? Jesus Christ, Nick, you're in Vice now. I knew afford better than beans and rice.
Seriously? Beans and rice. Why don't you let me order for you?
Here's an idea. I picked the place, huh? I promise, you'll never go back to eating plantains ever again.
You ever had Cuban food?
I think you should take the lead this time, all right? Hit with authority, check your corners, find our guy, and we take him down before anyone even thinks about going for their gun.
Yeah, I've done this before.
Yeah, not with me, you haven't. All right, let's roll. Use your big boy voice.
Police! We're coming in! Police!
Nobody fucking
Get
move!
your hands where I
Nobody
can see
move!
them!
Let me see your
Up
hands!
where I can see
Let me
them!
see your hands!
Move back and away from the
You just
table!
knocked on the wrong door.
Be cool, officer. How about the light out of my face, yeah?
Cuff these guys. Let's
Oh,
get the hell
shit,
out of here.
man. Come on now.
Hey, do me a favor. Book the mouthy room first.
Okay. Keep those hands on your head and turn around slowly. Slowly. Nice and easy.
You're making a big mistake.
We're all friends now. Okay, spin around. Nothing sudden.
Fucking bullshit. You know it. It's a fucking joke. I'll be out by the morning, cop. You fucking know it.
Yeah? The pilot coaxes otherwise.
Fuck you!
Jesus Christ! That got out of hand fast.
What the fuck was that? You didn't check the door?
Hey, I'm the one making arrests. You're supposed to watch the room.
Yeah. Just check the bodies. See if you can figure out what the hell they were up to.
Bingo.
Yeah? What we got?
Wallet. ID. Anyone you know?
Nope. Dead end. Too bad there's nobody left to interrogate.
Hey, I was tired of burgers, so I got Cuban. Anybody hungry?
Hey! Stop right there!
Get after him. Go! Go!
I got him! Stay where you are! Hands up! You're just making this worse! Stoddard! Downstairs! Now!
Pursuit training, right?
Yeah. Maintain distance. Try not to kill us.
Let him stop now! Head north on Mateo, requesting backup. Ready locked on Parker from Mateo. Intersection clear. you son of a bitch! Don't do anything stupid!
Come on! You have the right to remain silent. Oh, you heard this before, huh?
I heard all I needed. Can I find the signs? I can taste the blood now. I can taste the light. I can see the sorrow. I can find the light. See the angel of death there. She's slowly counting the time. Come on. Come on. What goes around comes back around. So when I see you again, I'm gonna push you down. It's coming back round. It's coming back round. It's coming back round to get you.
Five suspects are dead and one remains in custody after a dramatic police raid of an Overtown hotel. This marks the fourth incident of apparent drug violence in Miami this week. We now go live downtown for an exclusive Sky 5 interview with Investigations Captain Julian Dawes.
This is an ongoing investigation.
So no comment, Captain?
This is an ongoing investigation. That is my comment. No comment would be no comment.
Where the hell is everybody? Oh, drug war, sir. Saw it on TV. It's like the 80s all over again. In fact, I'm gonna wear a white linen suit with the sleeves pushed up.
Hope with a pink t-shirt. In the meantime, started doing special detail. Detectives Mendoza Dow, my office. You two know each other?
Sort of.
Good. I'm making you partners. Sit. Mendoza, you recovered several kilos of cocaine today. Congratulations. So tell me, why does coke get stamped?
Maker's Mark, to prove it came uncut from the source.
That's correct. And your coke had a stamp we haven't seen before. Your catch of the day claims you got it from Tyson Latchford, with whom Detective Dow has had several run-ins. I want you two to bring him in for a little chat.
Sir, Mendoza's last run in the field, no offense, was a total clusterfuck.
You're gonna get along great. Dismissed.
You know, for the record, I was following Stoddard's lead in that hotel room.
I'm sure you were. But no excuses, Detective.
It's not an excuse. Just context. So what's the story with Tyson Latchford?
His coke's for the rich and the clueless. Those guys you busted, Tyson's way out of their league. But sometimes he slips freebies to his old hood rat pals.
So let's go find one.
You're reading my mind, Detective. So hey, watch yourself tonight. This drug war's no joke.
Don't have to tell me. Lost 2 friends in the last 6 months. Patrolmen.
Yeah, I heard about that. I'm sorry.
Me too.
Miami's gone to shit.
Well, that's what we do, right? Clean up the shit.
Stoddard said that about you.
Said what?
That you love being a cop.
Windshield's dirty. Let me get that.
Oh, Christ, this guy.
Hey!
All right. Hey, how about, just let me get like $5. Okay? I know. It's just, I'm what you call a capitalist.
Sorry, man. Not when I'm on duty.
Okay. All right, well, officer, you take care of the neighborhood. Be safe. All right? Asshole!
You know, the neighborhood I grew up in isn't too far from here.
Really? Rags to riches, huh?
Let me guess. You're from South Beach.
No. No way. LA, actually. Orange County.
Oh. So, riches to rags?
Yeah. Something like that.
What's this?
Probably a drug
No
bust.
consenting to these searches, man.
It's probable cause, numbnuts. I don't need your consent.
Hey, Guzman. Who you got there?
It's our old pal Hugs. With a trunk full of that hotshot shit. Down.
Hugs. Where's your friend, Tap?
I don't know where Tap is at.
He's looking for Tap.
Yeah, you seen him?
Nah, but I saw his homie Bricks over with Tap's crew over there on 12th Street.
Thanks, Guzman. Appreciate it.
Nice locate, detective.
Damn it! Open up! This is my house! I can stop her from texting me!
So you grew up here, but you weren't born in Miami, though, right?
Nope. In Havana.
Really? How'd you get out?
With my mother. She's one tough lady.
What about your dad?
Wouldn't know. Haven't seen him in like 20 years. Trying to get the fuck away from him.
He's still in Cuba?
If I had to guess, he's probably dead. Which would be fine by me.
Sounds like a real gentleman.
Oh, he was a real something, all right.
Denied me my restraining order. Because I didn't have proof of service. I mean, how the hell I'm supposed to have proof of service if I don't know where to ask for it?
Hey, slow down.
Okay.
Is there a problem, ma'am?
Lid doesn't fucking fit.
Well, good luck, ma'am.
Fuck you!
You want me to call for backup, Mendoza?
Yeah. CP would probably send in a SWAT team.
Come on. We roll up on wheels and we spook the whole neighborhood.
This is 13. We're exiting the vehicle.
The city blocked off the projects, so there's only one way out.
All it does is piss people off.
The guy we're looking for usually slings around here.
Hey, officer, you gonna spot me? Huh?
I assume you know the neighborhood.
Yeah, but I haven't been here in a while. I'll follow your lead.
Damn. You stuffed something in those pants, officer?
Thomas, don't make me check your pockets, because I know what I'll find.
You sure do.
Ruben, put a leash on this guy and get that in a bag.
Actually, I don't really have I don't have a bag. I don't have a brown bag. You got a date or something?
Go ahead and take a whole hour and keep moving.
Heads up.
Move, man.
There's
You have a date or something, man?
Careful, Mendoza. This guy's unpredictable.
It's about time.
You go first. This guy knows me.
See, I'm telling you, we can do this like we always knew this, and boo this. You feel me? You feel me? You know.
Freeze!
What the hell you want?
Miami PD. We got some questions.
Yo, detective, who's this?
He's my new partner, Bricks. We're here to play bad cop, worse cop.
Your friend Tap. Where is he?
Man, fuck you.
Okay, let's jump right to worst cop. Nick, take him down.
What?
Now tell me where Tap is, and we walk away.
Protect and serve my ass, man. He's on the couch tonight, okay?
That's all I needed to hear. Come on, Mendoza.
Man, you can't keep getting away with this shit. I know my rights.
What, we're just gonna leave him there? You sure that's smart?
No, but I'm sure he tried to kill an undercover last year. Fuck him. Come on. Tap's couch is in the Arcola projects. He might not be there for long. Oh shit, that's Tap's crew up ahead. We don't want them to know we're coming. Follow me. Stay back. Come on, this way. You're not gonna tell anyone we're doing this, right, partner?
Doing what, detective?
Attaboy. Okay, come on.
I got it. Go on through.
Thank you kindly. Sorry about that clusterfuck comment, by the way. Sounds like it was a real mess. But you handled it.
What's your read on Stoddard anyway? We weren't partners long.
Stoddard's a bull. And the world's his china shop. Remember, this is Tap's turf. If anyone sees us, they'll tell him we're coming. We need to keep a low profile.
Right.
You don't play defense. Man, what you talking about? I'm playing defense. Just lay it down. I know what you got anyway. You're like a rookie quarterback, sucker. Oh, you know what I get? Man, you don't know shit about what I got. Why you gotta be like that, man? Okay, all right, watch me. Don't whine about it, just play. See? That's why that 20 you had in your hand is now my turn. In fact, let's make it 50. You wanna go again?
Shit, we're blocked. Throw something to distract him.
Sounded like something fell off the roof.
If the air thing breaks, I'm going to stay with my sister.
If it breaks, I'll fix it.
Tap's just ahead, but there's no way we're getting past these two without taking at least one of them down.
Talking about.
Can you
This is the
separate it?
game, baby. What game is that?
Yeah, I got this.
Nobody ever leaves the couches like ever, man. Exactly. Tell me, Tap, is the cheapest. Come on. Shut up a second. Something's out there.
It should be through here.
2 or 3 million years, bro. There's like this. Shit.
Evening, Tap. Don't run because I will chase you. We're looking for Tyson.
You her new partner? She do that karate for you yet?
I study Krav Maga. Karate's mystical bullshit.
You are a trip.
Tap and Tyson grew up together. White guys who got a taste for the hood. Tap never left.
Stand up. Hands on your head.
Hey, Tyson, Tap, where is he?
A lot of people looking for Tyson. You watch the news, right? Dude's laid low. Life expectancy in the game ain't so good right now.
Yeah, we were hoping you could give us some insight into that.
Above my pay grade, Fidel.
Nick, hook this guy.
Thought you'd never ask.
Swear, you cops get off on this shit.
Yeah, at first. Then you just get bored. Tab. I am shocked, buddy.
Yeah, I got a subscription for that. Oh,
I know you got warrants. I know you keep your coke around the corner under the dumpster. I know little man who just ran off is probably moving it right now. And seriously, that kid is way too young to be doing this shit. So yeah, we have to take you in for possession. We will.
What do you want me to do?
Hey, your earpiece fits?
Yeah, it fits.
And your wire? Say something.
Benedict Arnold.
Hey, knucklehead. You're not Benedict Arnold, and this isn't snitch work. Walk in, verify Tyson's there, and leave.
Sounds easy. Why don't you come down here and do it?
We need his face scanned. Your scanner's connected to every local and federal database. Brave new world, partner. Follow him with your scanner to make sure he doesn't blow this.
Tyson used to cut the motherfucker off. Fucking cracker. Yeah, should be better. Yo, man, looking for Tyson. Tyson? That shit ain't easy, dog. Come on, man, just help a brother out. Come on, man, just go home. I need to see Tyson. Relax, get your shit under control, brother.
And we're in. Come on, Tab, lead us to Tyson.
I don't recognize any of these guys.
Just keep on that scanner. Figure out who we're looking at here. Nothing's equipped with a digital shotgun mic. Scan around and listen in.
Yo, Fidel. Shit feels real tense in here.
Is Tyson around or not?
Yeah, we're about to chat.
Copy that.
Tyson's through there. You got 5 minutes. All I need. Cap? What are you doing here?
That's Tyson. Scan him.
I was wondering.
We need proof he was here.
Shit. There's no line of sight to Tyson.
I'm just doing what I'm doing.
Maybe he'll move.
Don't go around asking for me. Shit isn't safe right now. Tyson. Just one more. Please. Just have a seat. I'll see what I can do, all right? No problemo. No problem at all.
hell's this?
No idea. What do you want to do here?
Whoa, whoa, whoa. You gotta turn that shit around, man.
Scan as many of those guys as you can.
Oh, shit. You're after Tyson.
Come on, we gotta get to him now. CP, this is 13. We've got gunshots. We're engaging.
Gunshots reported at 3rd and 33rd. All units be advised.
Come on. I got you covered.
Fuck are these guys?
Arrest these guys.
I heard Nelson hired a crew from Juarez. Juarez? You think Nelson's gonna bring in motherfuckers from Juarez? Maybe not south of the border. But those look like Nelson's guys. Man, you just never seen a banger from Atlanta before.
Freeze! The guys shooting up the place. Who are they?
I don't know. I think it's the same cycles hitting every crew.
Come on, cuff them.
All right. Hands are up.
It's okay. Chill out.
Fucking cop.
Kai!
Got your back, Nick. I think I know that guy. Scan him and see if he's got warrants.
You were right. That snitch tap?
Let us strike to him. Yeah, we got him all.
You got a 10-20.
Check for Tyson's body now.
Get him in cuffs. It'll look good for us.
We're grabbing all the hot shot we can find. I'll let you know the haul, all right? Talk later.
Hands up. Stay right where you are.
Okay.
Next, Mendoza.
CP, send a pickup.
Hold it right there.
Hey, what the fuck?
You're stressed out. You look like shit.
Shit, yeah. Stressed out.
On this job. We're out here just like ants.
Freeze!
Stop. Keep those hands up. Get out of here!
Why? No one get away from shit. You can never get away from me! What the fuck were you guys thinking? Stupid motherfucker.
Don't move. Police.
clear. Let's head upstairs.
We should be getting close to Tyson. Hands up. You're under arrest.
Fuck them all. I take that word to pen. Word to pen. Hold on. Oh my. You are now listening to Run the Fuck them all. They can eat my
Search the lockers. Search the desk. Peep through everything.
All these fucking idiots. Stop smiling. Give a fuck if you deny it, kids. You can all run naked backwards to a field of sticks. Fuck the world, don't ask me for shit, that's worth big. I dreamt we own the world, but I won't.
Someone cut open these fucking matches. Hey, might be money inside.
You see that?
Fuck. Shots fired.
Hallway clear.
Check the classrooms.
Copy that.
Scan to see if there's any evidence we can track back to Tyson.
Tyson's too organized for his own good.
You have no idea. That's a start. Nice work. Remember, if that thing buzzes, it means you're near evidence.
They're watching Stoddard.
He'll probably be flattered.
The guy responsible for flooding the streets of Miami with this liquid cocaine hotshot garbage? Our new friend Tyson Latchford. Hotshot's popular because the high's cleaner, without the crash. Or so they say. I can get Tyson in front of a grand jury thanks to this evidence, assuming he stays alive long enough. This stuff's a little low rent for Tyson.
That's Tyson's mark. That's his coke.
Nick, check this out.
Did you find Tyson? Guy, look at this. Tyson was never here. It was a video chat.
Shit. Can we reconnect?
Oh, fuck. You cops led them right there, didn't you?
Sorry, but you're the asshole they were trying to kill.
Hello, Tyson.
Oh, hell. This just got worse.
Hey, your friend Tap took off. I think all your guys are dead.
Fuck! Look, these aren't my guys, okay? Occasionally I throw product their way.
Who's trying to kill you, Tyson?
Yeah, that's not something you're typically told ahead of time.
Tell us where you are. We can protect you.
Sorry, but I doubt that.
Damn it. Now what?
Tyson's dead if we don't get to him first. CP, this is 13. We need a trace route on an outgoing IP connection.
13 trace in progress. And we're connected. Give us a few minutes, 13.
Copy that. Let's go. They're gonna need more than a few minutes.
So we know what Tyson was up to. We have no idea where he is.
Look upstairs! Find this fucking guy!
Shit. Mendoza, we gotta get out of here.
You think?
In a body bag, waking in capsule. Niggas waking in capsule. Showing them air slow. Masked up, taking the air though. Just don't.
Two cups.
Shit, we can't have
Hold it right there.
Look out!
Hey, what?
I got this one, Nick.
Stop right there.
What the fuck's going on?
I got the other one.
Bruce. Oh, fuck! Not make...
Nick, get to the car now! Hurry, get in!
Detective Dow, got a location from that IP.
Thanks, CP. Send me the info.
Your friend Tyson has no idea what's heading his way.
I'll send a ground unit to the location.
Yeah, then we grab him and get out.
Copy that.
Give it the boot, Mendoza.
You know you need a warrant for that.
Play nice, boys.
Something tells me you've got your civil liberties memorized.
We're not here to arrest you. You need to go now.
Let me get my stuff.
Hey, how about you tell us what the hell's going on, huh?
You know how I spend my day? Spreadsheets. I haven't been a street guy in a long time. Lately, everybody's fighting everybody. If there's a wrong side, I seem to be on it. That's all I know.
Look, can we talk about this? Oh, shit! Let me hit.
Whoa.
How bad is that?
Jesus.
God.
Okay. I'm putting pressure on it, all right?
Oh! God! God damn it!
I know.
Fuck!
I know. Just hang in there.
We're not here for you, Pop.
Nick.
I'm not leaving you. Fuck off!
Get tight!
Go! God damn it!
Hi, look at me. Hi, stay with me. Shit. Hi. 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 Christ! Hi, hang on. Hey, we're cops! We're cops! She's hit!
I think he hit an artery.
You're lucky you didn't bleed to death.
Hands up! Now!
Good evening to you, too.
Detective, do you know this man?
Oh, him? He does spreadsheets.